we're gonna do another 20-minute makes. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the most challenging one yet, and I'm not optimistic about finishing this one in 20 minutes or less. I don't think it's gonna happen. And I'm also emotionally traumatized by the Toronto Maple Leafs loss last night, so my head's not really in the game, but that's okay. This is what 20 makes is about. It's about trying to do stuff without overthinking it. Let's go get started. I'll show you what I'll be using today. Yeah, let's go for it. Here we have some scrap leather here. Just regular, this is just pull-up and oil tan leather, pull-up leather, 5 to 6 ounce. I've got a ruler. I got this cutting board, X-Acto knife, scissors, lighter, wing divider. You don't need this. You could just mark your lines with a ruler and an awl or something. I got a mallet here, a maul. You don't need this. You just need a plastic headed hammer of some sort. I got the template. I got the glue. I got all these different kinds of punches. You don't really need this. You can just use a knife. These corner punches are really nice, but you can just use a coin and a knife. This you'll need. Well, you don't have to use it. And stitching irons. You definitely need those. Some thread and some needles, which I missed over here. Okay, we've got 20 minutes on the clock. All right. We're at 16 minutes. For this to dry. Okay. Seconds. And normally you should let the glue dry, but you know, it's not exactly a luxury you have in 20-minute makes. Because I'm confident I'm not going to do it without a stitching pony, because there's so much to stitch here. I'm going to use a stitching pony today. This is the one we made in the other 20-minute mix if you want to make your own. Alright, we got 7 minutes here. Just a little under 7. still have to finish cutting my strap. 25 seconds. And 10 seconds. Well, we're almost done stitching, so that's good. 3, 2, 1. All right. I did not make it.
Boo.
I didn't make it.
Boo.
I do 2.5. And by half, I mean I finish on the back. So we are over 21 minutes right now. How this thing works, you just slot this thing through and pull it through here. And then you loop it around. Let's loop it around this thing. There's luggage tag. That was 22 minutes. That took 22 minutes and 30 seconds around. Hey, that's not bad. That was just about 2 minutes and 30 seconds over. Could have gone a lot worse. So that's it for 20-minute makes. There you go. That's it. And I cut a business card and I put it inside. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, just want to show you that leathercraft doesn't have to be overwhelming or intimidating. There's so much you can do and you don't have to have the fanciest tools to do it. Obviously, there's so much you could do to improve this project and make this a way nicer luggage tag. But this is a project you can do right now at home with just some basic leathercraft tools. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next week. See ya.